That twitchy tail? It's not just decoration. Cats use their tails to talk. Straight up, they're happy. Swishing, annoyed. Twitching, thinking about chaos. Now the purring. People think it's just a happy, sound. But cats also purr when they're scared or in pain. It's like their built-in healing superpower, tiny vibrating fluff machines. And when your cat sleeps in a shoebox, sink, or even a fruit bowl, that's just peak cat logic. If I fits, I naps. Because with cats, the rule is simple. If it's weird, it's probably normal.